Are you struggling with back pain? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 exercises that you can use to give you relief from any type of back problem. Check it out. Hey there, my name's Simon from Hogan and Mitchell, and the 5 exercises we're about to do can be used for any type of back problem, but there are 3 rules. Rule number 1, breathe normally. Rule number 2, try and stay relaxed. And rule number 3, try to move freely. They're all really difficult when you've got back pain, but try your best. So we're going to do these 5 things together. The first exercise is called a hip flexion. So let's check it out. You will lie down on your back, have your knees bent, so that already reduces some pressure on your spine, and you're going to try and bring your knee towards your chest. So this is the position. You're going to try and bring it as far as you can, letting your hands do the work. Let your back and your hip relax and stay there for as long as you can. Don't worry if you can only start up here to begin with and your knees far away. Over time you will find you can get a little bit further. If you can do this exercise with 2 knees up, that's even better. Once you're there, just breathe normally and stay there for about 20 seconds. When you're done, just put one leg down and then the second leg down, and then bring your feet and knees together for the next exercise. So this second exercise is called a lumbar rotation, or some people refer to it as knee rolls. You're going to put your arms out to the sides if you're able to, and then you're going to try and take your knees over to one side. You're then going to do the same to the other side. Now there's a really key point to this exercise that no one ever talks about. You should be pretty relaxed in your tummy, and you should be able to breathe normally. Now you might not be able to move as far as I am at the moment, so just move as far as you feel comfortable to, but over time you should find that your movement increases. But make sure your tummy's relaxed, you can put your hand there to check it if you need to, and you're breathing as normally as you can. So come back to the middle, have your feet and knees about as wide as your pelvis, have your arms down by your side, and this third exercise is called a hip raise. So the push is going to be through your butts and your hips. Your back will lift, but try and make the push through your butt. So when you're ready, push through your feet and lift your hips up nice and high. Once you're up, just relax your neck and shoulders. And again, if you feel your tummy, it should be pretty relaxed. It's your butt and your back muscles doing the work on this. Now, as you come down, what you're going to try and do is come down one bone at a time. So you're going to try and bring down the middle part of your back, then the lower back, and then the pelvis, and then relax. And you're going to repeat that again. So you're going to come up through the hips, relax your neck and shoulders so they're nice and loose, and then come slowly down through the lower ribs, into the pelvis, and then relax. Great. Now the next 2 exercises are a basic cat and cow and a child's pose. So when you're ready, take yourself and come up onto all 4s. So the cat and the cow is a flexion and extension of the spine, as the fancy term is. And what you're going to try and do is flex your spine like a cat, stretching. So we'll do that one first, and then sag like a cow. So the cat stretch is this flexing, pushing movement. You curl your tail under, and you tuck your chin in to look down through your knees between your toes. Pause. And then the next movement is a sag. You don't push into this movement, it's a sag. So you let your tummy relax down, let your bum stick out, and then you go back up into your cat. So this is the cat, this is the cow, and you repeat between the 2 movements, breathing as normally as you can, move as far as you can, for about a minute, just back and forth. Now the 5th exercise is child's pose. And this is actually the position, if you ever had back surgery, which you're not going in because you're going to get your back sorted, that they actually put you into to have the surgery. So in the theatre you are actually in the position you're about to go into. Now you get yourself on all 4s, square like this, and you try and sit your bottom back down onto your heels. Now if you keep your hands here, that's fine, you can kind of rest them down like this, or if you want to, you can actually just rest some weight on your forearms and just rest into this position. And this is actually the position they do back surgery in, because it opens up the spine, it opens up the space for the nerves, and it's a really comfortable position once you kind of sort of ease into it. So that's the 5th position. Once you're there, you can stay for about 20 seconds, and then you repeat that a few times. So have a go at them. If you have found them useful, like it, comment below, and if you've got any questions, just put them below and we'll give you an answer. If you want to watch any more of our videos, you can subscribe over here. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.